Think calculation percentages in Excel is tedious? You're not wrong, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we're breaking down the percent of calculation, the one that tells you what chunk of the total each item takes up. Super useful, super easy once you know the trick. Let's get into it. The percent of function is quite simple to use. All I need to do is type equal percent of, I'll just type percent and select percent of here, double click. Data subset is my numerator. Let's say I just want the produce items, select those, the quantity of those, comma, and then data all is everything else. Press enter, and I've got 0.2095. I can select that, either click percent of here, this icon, or type shift control, the number 5, and it turns it into a percent. Let's say I want to calculate it by hand. I'm going to select my cells here. Over here, I have my sum. To get this, actually, you can right click. And once you right click it and bring up this menu, you can customize its status bar by doing some calculations or aggregations. And you see sum here is one of them, right? So I can just click on that. That's going to copy it onto my clipboard. Go to cell here, Control V to paste. Let's get the total. I'm going to select all of these. So sum it again, click on that. Go here, Control V to paste. And if I do equals that divided by the total here, it's going to give me the same amount. Control Shift, the number 5 is going to do that. And of course, that's longer. It's better to have this percent of function to do that. But where this percent of function shines is in the combination with other functions. And one of them is going to be the group by function. So if I type group by, click on that. And what do I want to group? What do I want to group by? I want to group by my categories, my produce, dairy, etc. I just need to select that, comma, and then the values. Well, this is all the values here, all the quantities, and then comma, and then function. Don't need to even type in percent of. It's already included as part of this group by function. Select that, close parentheses, press enter, and we've got our items here. I'll just select my cells here, Control Shift the number 5 to put in the percentage, and we have our percentage breakdown of my category items. So that's another nice way that the percent of function is already incorporated within another function and its usage. Now you know how to calculate percent of total in Excel without guesswork or errors. If this helped you clean up your spreadsheet, give it a like so YouTube knows this stuff matters. Want more practical Excel tricks like this? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next.